Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter for that. I also have, in honor of our 1-year anniversary here on YouTube, I've got a big one going on, and it has in it the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Sold Out palette is in it. I also have, in honor of our 600 subscriber, a giveaway going on as well. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 700 subscribers, so help us get there. So today is a January BOXYCHARM box. This is their base box. I do also get their premium box. I haven't got that in yet. It's $25 a month, the base box, and it ships out every month, and there's 5 full-size items in here. So let's find out what we got. I do have a code for BOXYCHARM. It helps you out, kind of helps me out a little bit with just some extra bonus points. And so if you were to use it, I greatly appreciate it. No obligation. So let's find out what's in here. Does have the red lid BOXYCHARM. I do have version number 13. So the first product I really like. This is the Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is cruelty free. So this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love using this at night. The only thing is it's a little bit tacky. So I'd wait just a little bit before putting your head on the pillow for the night. That way your face isn't kind of sticking to the pillow. Other than that, this stuff is amazing. My face was so hydrated in the morning after using this. It is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects the skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-fighting AHAs that work while you sleep to exfoliate and clarify your skin. Does so much repair when you are sleeping, so make sure to put a really good moisturizer on. A sleeping mask like this is amazing. It does retail for $22. It says kind of on the back here that radiant petal soft skin is just a dream away. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and AHAs to hydrate and smooth skin overnight. To post-facial baby soft results. How to use: apply as the final step for your evening routine. For drier skin, add an additional layer if desired. And I think that's what I did, is I have dry skin, so I added that additional layer, and I think that's kind of made it a little bit tacky. So just wait, and I was fine once I just waited and let my, the product kind of sink into my skin. And then pat gently until absorbed, wash thoroughly in the morning. You can also use it as a wash-off mask. Apply a thick, generous layer to damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. That's a really good idea. I haven't tried that one with this. By Manna Kadar is a beauty lip whip. It's a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. Retails for $21. Manna Kadar is cruelty-free. I am going to be putting this one in one of that upcoming giveaway I talked about. This one's going in there. Look for it in there. I've been loving Skin&Co recently. This is the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. It's a delicate exfoliating cream With rich texture and softening fragrance, Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a luxe formula combining the best of iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and a unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superantioxidants DMHUs, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Please, I've been noticing more on my face. Anyway, gently buff and away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. This does retail for $28. Basically, it's an exfoliator, guys, after all that. And I love doing exfoliators on my skin. I try and do them once or twice a week. Anxious to put this into the rotation. So I did get the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Retails for $25. And it's an ultra coverage concealer and a lightweight gel serum. Concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. This infused vitamin E and galactorbion, don't know if I said that right, to keep skin moisturized and rejuvenated and improve the skin's appearance. This angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula and visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark spots. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. Does retail for $25. So they sent out this as you can kind of test it to see if it's going to be a good match for you or not. Let's kind of look and see. So there it is on the skin. I think right off the bat it's going to be, but let's kind of rub this in and see. Yeah, that's going to be perfect for me. You can't even hardly tell that it's there. Can't wait to try this. Hopefully, where I use concealer the most, I get dark spots through here and kind of just right around here is where I tend to want to lighten things up a bit. So you had your choice. You could have either chosen, there was 2 palettes you could have chosen from, or you could have chosen the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, which is what I chose. It's all eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age-defying eye cream. It's a perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention it deserves. They had me at Retinol Eye Cream. Here's what the packaging looks like. And this is 0.5 of a fluid ounce or 15 milliliters. I'm excited to give this a go. Like I said, I have dark kind of under eyes, so anything can help with that. I'm all in. And I think these two would probably make a really good duo at fighting those. So I am excited about this box. At first I was like, I don't know. But I think these are gonna be amazing. You know, I have used the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask before, loved it. I've got stuff for you. I've got a new exfoliator. What were your guys' favorite items? Let me know in the comments down below. So the retail of this box is over $150. You guys only spent $25 for it. Pretty good deal in my book. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So you just have to hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on your notifications for you. It'll notify you every time we do upload here. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me a little bit of your day today. And I hope that the rest of it is an absolutely beautiful one. You guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.